Director Vikram Bhatt, who recently received regular bail on 19 February 2026 in an alleged multi-crore cheating case involving his wife Shwetambari Soni, has shared his views on rumors about an alleged affair between Vijay and Trisha Krishnan. He said he does not know whether the rumors are true, but added that he has experienced both sides in such situations, being fooled by someone and also fooling someone. According to him, the human heart is not perfect and often goes where it finds happiness. Vikram Bhatt shared a long note on Instagram supporting Vijay and Trisha. He wrote on Monday, 9th March, "I find something admirable in Vijay and Trisha. There is dignity in not pretending that something does not exist. There is dignity in not hiding love as though it was something sinful." He also said that some men secretly use anonymous profiles on dating sites and delete their messages before going home. Some even spend time with women they do not respect enough to acknowledge publicly. Yet, according to him, these same people often judge others. Bhatt also wrote, "Speaking for myself, I would walk out of a loveless relationship. I might walk out with money. I might walk out with property. But most importantly, I would walk out with my honor and my dignity. Their films belong to us. Their personal lives do not. I will always stand for the freedom of the human heart. They have a right to live and to love." Recently, Vijay and Trisha attended the wedding reception of the son of producer Kalpathy S. Suresh and Meenakshi Suresh in Chennai on 5th March. Vijay's appearance came while his divorce case with his wife Sangeeta Swarnalingam is ongoing. In her petition, she reportedly accused him of having an extramarital relationship with an actress. Rumors have suggested that Vijay and Trisha may be involved because of their alleged closeness. However, neither Trisha nor Vijay has responded to the rumors about their relationship.